Alright, so today is October 3rd, and we have traded during the overnight session up to the 67.88 area, and then we dropped, and now we are attempting to come back inside yesterday's value. So that's my main focus for today. I'm looking at whether we accept or reject yesterday's value, and we're right now trading just at value area high. So if we accept below 70, then I'm going to be looking for the levels below yesterday's settlement, which was just tagged a few minutes ago, and then below that looking for value area sweep into value area low, keeping in mind that we have the previous week's high right there. So we might see buyers defending that or just above the overnight low, and then see if we get to tag that 67.55, which is value area low. I'll look to see if we can take yesterday's low, and at that point we're probably going to attract more sellers and finish this cleaning up the poor structure from Wednesday, cleaning the single prints, tagging value area low from Wednesday, which is at 67.31, and then we have this 67.25 high volume node right here, and this low volume node here at 67.20, at which point I'm going to be looking for a little bit of a bounce here. But if we don't, then my final target is here at 67.10, which is the 5-day point of control. And then from there, we gotta see if we get a bounce or if we continue that move down. We have a few other areas of support here, minor support at 6700, some more support at 6680. Well, these are the levels I've been talking about for the last 5 sessions, right? And then the 20-day point of control down here, but this could very easily shift up here if we tag this 67.10, so keep that in mind. On the upside, we need to take yesterday's high and overnight high, and we still have some pending targets, one at 67.98 and one at 68.25 to repair the bullish imbalances from the past few days. And then one thing is that the call wall for today has moved up to 68.49, so we do have some more room, but you know, it's not, I don't think it's going to be that easy to move higher, because you know, we still have all this area of from the overnight session to chew through, and it's not going to be quickly. It could be a more grindy price action until we get above 6,800. And it's Friday, so, and we don't have NFP today, so because of the government shutdown, so we don't have those numbers. We do have some numbers, I believe, at 10 a.m. that are still being reported, PMI numbers at 9:45 and at 10 a.m. But then we have just some Fed speaking at 1:30 and at 1:40 p.m. and then that's about it. So let's just to see what happens, focusing on value. NQ pretty similar, is attempting to get back inside value, a little more bullish, still holding above it. But same thing, if it trades below 25,100, then looking for value area sweep, a retest of the previous week's high. Gold had a nice bounce yesterday at that 38.40 area, back to 3900. Probably looking for a new leg up. And crude, remember yesterday I had shown this this green area that I had marked. It bounced right there. Got all the way to 61.30 and then sold again. So now I'm looking for a move back into the distribution. Keeping in mind that we could see some resistance at this high from the overnight session. But if we break that, then looking for 61.80 and then 62.40 as the next levels. All right.